Hi, my name is Fahad and I'm going to show you how to use multiple payment methods in your mobile app. So HighLevel has announced a latest updates to their mobile app for their payment section. Now you have the ability to accept payments using cash, cards on file, or put manual entry in your mobile's point of sale section. So let me show you how to do that. So right at the bottom you can see these options, and this is the point of sale option, and you can click on it. When you click on it, you have this keypad where you can enter the amount, but first of all you need to click on the catalog right over here. So if you click on the catalog, you need to choose the product. It will show all the products that you have in your account, and I'm just going to choose a random one and click on review item. And this is where you can choose the number of products that you are basically selling or add discount. And this is where you can also choose the customer, the name of the customer. You can choose, if you click on this one, you can choose the name of the customer. I'm just going to choose a random one, and then you can choose the payment instrument. This is where you can choose whether you want to pay through cash, pay through card, or manual entry. If you want to record payments that are received through cash, you can choose the cash option. Otherwise, if you have any credit cards that are already saved, you can click on save icon, choose the cards icon, or you can also add a new card here if you don't have any cards. And every time a payment is accepted with a new card for particular contact, that card gets saved automatically for future use, making it super convenient for repeat customers. And then you have the manual entry option as well. So you can choose the amount. This is where you can choose how the payment was received, whether there was cash, card, check, bank transfer, or any other. You can also add notes, and after you choose that, you can click on submit, and then it will record the payment as successful. So that's how you can do it.